welcome back to the channel, and today we have got something pretty special for you. I'm actually going to hand over to Harvey to introduce this because I'm not going to lie, this is not my forte. I'm not too sure. So Harvey, tell us, what have we got here and what have you done?
So this is our 1976 BMW E21. It's a 316 originally. It's no longer so much of a 316. It's a bit of a resto mod, as they call it. So it's a slightly different. It's quite cool, quite quirky. It's got electric power steering. Everything inside's new. So yeah, it's a bit of a special car, to be honest. A bit different.
Yeah, it definitely looks it. So how long has it taken for you to do this project?
So it's been sort of 15 years in the making.
Wow, okay.
So yeah, it's been a long time,
Yeah.
but it's got there in the end. And
Yeah.
it's what wasn't meant to be like this. It was just a spare shell for a race car that we still have. But yeah, over time, it never smashed the other one up. So we thought we'd make another car out of it.
Might as well. So talk to me about this then. Looking at it now, what have you added on and what are kind of the original features that you've enhanced?
So pretty much everything you see had been either changed or just made better.
Okay.
So paintwork's obviously been completely repainted in chamois white, which is the original colour for the car as it came as factory.
Amazing.
Everything down to the bumpers that have been re-chromed and everything like that as well. So literally not a stone has been unturned.
Wow.
Every bolt has been replaced.
And it's all just completely replicating.
Yeah, everything is basically outside, inside. Everything's meant to be exactly the same. So and then underneath, everything's completely different. So
Yeah, go on then. Let's have a look underneath it. Oh, wow.
it's the retro way of opening the bonnet.
Oh wow.
So underneath we have basically a 318 IS engine out of a BMW E36. So it's the M44 B19, which has also been slightly modified as well. We've got individual throttle bodies on there as well, so a bit of a nicer noise when we're driving along. It's got a full stainless steel exhaust system, and the engine bay is going to be completely tucked away and not a wire shown basically. So
Wow.
it's it's very different to how it came out of the factory.
Yeah, I can imagine. And what would you say was your biggest challenge in doing this?
Sort of just actually going for it and doing it. It's
Being brave.
Yeah, that's it. I think getting everything done and the wiring loom, by the sounds of things, we didn't do it all ourselves. We had a lot of help from a guy down in Essex called Sytner Classic Cars.
Oh, cool.
A really good friend of ours. He's done a lot for us, and by the sounds of things, they had a lot of issues wiring things up like the speedo, because the speedo drive off of an E21 originally is off the gearbox, and off an E36 is off the differential. So wiring all that up sounded like a bit of a
Not the easiest.
yeah, not at all. So they were really good. They managed to do it in the end. So it was a lot of hard work, and by the sounds of things, a lot of time spent.
Yeah.
So rather than having just the parts there, so yeah, it's been a long time coming, but it's finally done and it's finally good.
You made
so,
it.
Yeah, that's it.
What made you want to do it in the first place?
I think it was just a car we had and the bits we had. I think it would have been a waste just to leave a shell sat there, and a lot of people thought, well, if you've got it, why not just do it? And
Might as well.
that's what we've done in the end, and it's more been a build for my dad and my sister, and we've got another one of these that me and my dad use, so my sister and my dad will use this one as a bit of a road car, a bit more fun, so they'll get to enjoy it more than I will myself. But yeah, no, it's been a long build, but
15 years. Sounds like it was worth it though.
yeah, but yeah, it's cool.
Oh, wicked. Let's look at the interior then. What's
So
new in here?
the interior is all, again, everything's brand new.
Oh wow.
We managed to find the material from a guy in Holland. We had to send a sample off away. So once we sent the sample off, they managed to find the exact material. I think they found it in Germany in the end, and they managed to find us enough to make a whole interior out of it.
Oh wow.
So we've had a few slightly different things modified as well, like the cup holders. The cup holder never came with it from factory, so it's something we wanted. My dad loves a coffee,
Yeah,
so
might as well.
when he's driving along, he can have a coffee. But yeah, a few different things. So this is quite a red dashboard as well. So because it's an early one, it come with the 2002 symbols rather than the ones that came on most E21s. So that's a kind of cool feature to have.
Yeah.
Whereas you see most E21s and the dashes don't even look like this.
Yeah, no.
So, but
Yeah.
yeah.
I've ever seen anything that looks like this before.
Sorry?
Don't think I've seen anything that looks
No,
like this before.
it's completely different. It's even got Bluetooth stereo now. So we tried to keep everything looking old, but
Yeah,
as modern
it is
as possible.
A new version.
Yeah, we've even got electric power steering, and we've even got a dial down here where you can change how firm and how soft you can have the steering.
Oh, wow.
So if you fancy driving it a bit more upbeat, you can turn the steering
Yeah.
up and feel like you're driving it a bit more. So it's quite good. So yeah.
And have you driven it?
Yeah, I drove it here.
How did you find it?
I loved it, to be honest with you. It's a bit strange at first because
Yeah.
you go from thinking that you're in an old car, but
Yeah.
it drives like a modern car, like all
wow.
suspension underneath, all the brakes as well. Brakes
Yeah.
are brand new, off of a modern system. So yeah, it's really cool. So it's just getting used to it really. It's a bit strange.
Can you imagine?
So,
Perfect. Ending? Yeah. Great. Well, thank you so much for giving us a quick
No worries.
whistle-stop tour, and I have to say, absolutely insanely well done. This is
thanks.
very impressive.
yeah, no, it's been
remake.
a long time, but finally got there.
Amazing.